Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm doing an acrylic infill on my client's nails. I've already filed off her previous design and prepped the nail plate, and now I'm using Rebecca Abernathy's dehydrator and primer. There is so much going on in this set, so sit back, grab a cup of tea and enjoy these Easter inspired nails. So I'm just placing down a clear base using Rebecca Abernathy's Flawless Clear, and I'm going to pop that on all of the nails. So this is Nao Nails Shell Pink. It's a really gorgeous baby pink colour. So I wanted this to be quite a prominent pink but nice and soft. So this was the perfect pink for that. So I'm going to apply that to the middle finger, and then I'm also going to apply that to the little nail as well. So this is Team Gorgeous, and this is called Sandy Toes, and that yellow is just beautiful. So it's so pigmented. I'm using it super thin, and it just glides onto that nail, which I love with coloured acrylics, and I can't rate this colour enough. It's beautiful. So I'm applying that to the ring finger, pointer finger and thumb. And then I will go in with a little bit of glitz. So I'm now going to be using a little bit of Nail Sugar's Snow Globe on that ring finger. I'm using that so thin, but it's so sparkly, and it's going to bring all that yellow through, and it's going to have iridescent bits in, and it's just going to look gorgeous. So then once I've done that, I am going to cap all of these nails with Rebecca Abernathy's Flawless Clear. So this hand is going to be matching, but not matching because we're using different colours. So I'm doing the same as what I've done on the other hand. I am dehydrating and priming these nails, and then I am going in with a clear layer of Rebecca Abernathy's Flawless Clear. So I'm now using Nail Sugar's graphite just on this ring finger and making sure that I give it a good coat, but I'm going to be keeping it nice and thin. So back to that Nails shell pink, and that's going to be applied to the middle finger and little finger. So I'm using Glitterbell's Stone Grey, and I'm applying that to the pointer finger and thumb, and that's a gorgeous soft grey colour, and it really complements the yellow on the other hand. And then once I've done that, I will go in and cap all these nails with Rebecca Abernathy's Flawless Clear. So I forgot to push record on this bit, so I have already popped in my little duckling's shape. So now I'm using Semilac's Black Diamond just to start outlining the cracked shell on this little chick. And then once I've done that, I will pop that into the lamp to cure for 30 seconds. So now I'm going to be using Lady in Grey. This is Semilac, and I'm just going to start popping in some shading to that eggshell. And I'm going to be also using some strong white, and I'm just going to start building my colour up, and then once I'm happy with each stage, I will pop that into the lamp to cure for 30 seconds. So I'm just going back in with that strong white, and then I'll go into the smoky beige and Lady in Grey, and I'm just popping that on, and then I'm using my detail brush to create a bit of an ombre between the colours, and this is really going to help with the shading and to give that eggshell a little bit of depth Once I'm happy with all that, I'll pop that into the lamp to cure for 30 seconds. So again, I'm still building up that detail and depth in that eggshell using them same colours, and once I'm happy with that, I'll pop that into the lamp for a final cure of 30 seconds. So now coming back into that lady in grey, I'm going to use that for my ugly duckling's little beak. So I'm just going to use that to pop in that shape, and then I will pop that into the lamp to cure for 30 seconds. So using that strong white, I'm now going to start outlining and shading a little bit of his beak, and then I will flash cure that in the lamp for 10 seconds. Using a little bit of that smoky beige, I'm now going to finish popping in some of that little bits of detail into his beak and a little bit of shading, and then I'll pop that into the lamp to cure for 30 seconds. So I'm now using Semolax Pink Rose, and I'm going to start to give him a little bit of a rosy cheek look, and then I'm going to go in with a little bit of strong white, and I'm just going to mix that together and really blend it into that white that I've already got down. And then once I'm happy with that, I'll pop that into the lamp to full cure for 30 seconds. So using Semolax Intense Blue, I'm just going to start popping in the start of his eyes, and then I'll pop that into the lamp to cure for 30 seconds. So I'm just using that black to create the outlines of his cheeks. So continuing with that black, I'm just going to go around the outline of where I want his eyes to be, and then I'll pop that into the lamp to cure for 30 seconds. So I'm now going to use Semolax Nuts and Caramel, which is a gorgeous brown colour, and I'm going to start creating some speckledy spots on that eggshell, and once I'm happy with that, I'll pop that into the lamp to cure for 30 seconds. I'm now using Semolax Design Gel in black, and I'm going to start popping in some little fuzzy little feathers. So these are just small straight line strokes just around his outline of his face, and then I'm going to start outlining his beak and the eggshell, and just going around all of his little features and creating some little cracks in that eggshell, and then I will pop that into the lamp to full cure for 2 minutes. So now I'm just going to create a speckledy look on this thumbnail using Semolax Pink Rose, and I'll pop that into the lamp to cure for 30 seconds. So now I'm going to top coat all of these using Rebecca Abernathy's No Wipe Top Gloss. But that little duckling is going to have Femilac's Matte No Wipe Top Coat on there. And then I will pop that into the lamp to cure for full 60 seconds. So now on that little nail, I am giving that a full coat of Urban Nails Gem Gel because we are completely covering this nail with gems. So I am using Crystal Parade Swarovski, so this is their yellow ones, and then I will go in with some of their opal ones as well and some crystal clear. And then I will pop some caviar beads in between. So I'll be using some gold ones. And then once I'm happy with that, I will pop that into the lamp to full cure for 2 minutes. So now using that Urban Nails Gem Gel again, I'm going to go round that heart shape and then I am going to pop in some gold caviar beads just around that heart, and then I will pop that into the lamp to cure for 2 minutes. So then on that pointer finger, I am going to be placing a few more crystals just to create a little bit of a cuticle cluster, and then again I'll pop that into the lamp to cure for 2 minutes. So I'm just finishing this set with a little bit of cuticle oil, and I hope you enjoyed this Easter inspired set. And there's the grey version, and if you did, please like and subscribe.